Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into a topic that's both delicious and nutritious. Beans. That's right, these little powerhouses are packed with nutrients that can supercharge your health. So let's uncover the most nutrient-dense beans you should definitely add to your diet. First up, we have the humble black bean. These beans are rich in antioxidants, fiber, and protein. They help lower blood pressure and improve heart health. Plus, they're super versatile. Think soups, salads, or even brownies. Yes, you heard that right, black bean brownies. Next, let's talk about navy beans. Named for their popularity in the US Navy, these beans are a fantastic source of fiber, folate, and manganese. They support digestive health and can help regulate blood sugar levels, perfect for stews and casseroles. Moving on to lentils. Though technically a legume, lentils deserve a spot on this list. They're packed with iron, B vitamins, and protein. Lentils boost energy levels and support brain health. Plus, they're quick to cook and ideal in soups, salads, and even veggie burgers. Then, we've got chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans. These beans are loaded with fiber, protein, and a variety of vitamins and minerals. They promote satiety and can help with weight management. Hummus, anyone? Don't forget about red kidney beans. These beans are excellent sources of iron, magnesium, and potassium. They support heart health and help in detoxifying the body. Think chili, salads, and even bean burgers. Now let's highlight cannellini beans. These creamy white beans are high in fiber, protein, and antioxidants. They aid in reducing cholesterol levels and improving gut health. Great in soups and Italian dishes. Next up is the adzuki bean. These small red beans are a staple in Asian cuisine. They're packed with protein, fiber, and folate. They aid in liver detoxification and improve skin health, often used in sweet dishes like red bean paste. And finally, we have the mung bean. These little green beans are nutrient powerhouses, rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They support immune health and reduce inflammation. Sprouted in soups or even as a flour, they're super versatile. So there you have it, a rundown of some of the most nutrient-dense beans you should definitely incorporate into your meals. Not only are they packed with health benefits, but they're also delicious and versatile. Give them a try and let me know your favorite recipes in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips. Stay healthy and happy.